Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Delicious chili garlic prawns recipe. Crispy, juicy prawns coated in a rich spicy garlic sauce with crunchy onions, capsicum and spring onions. Every bite is simply irresistible. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for delicious chili garlic prawns. This restaurant-style chili garlic prawns recipe features perfectly marinated and crispy fried prawns tossed in a flavorful chili garlic sauce. We'll also show you how to prepare a simple homemade prawn stock that adds incredible depth of flavor to the dish. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chili garlic prawns. Step 1. Marinating the prawns. We have taken 500 grams or half kg of prawns with their shells. Wash, clean and devein the prawns. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon of light soya sauce. If not available, you can add dark soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Apply the marinade nicely to the prawns. We have taken 1 egg white. Add most of it but keep some aside. Mix everything nicely. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. Frozen prawns can also be used after they are thawed at room temperature. Marinated prawns are ready. Cover and keep them aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the prawn stock. After cleaning the prawns, the shells and heads can be used to prepare prawn stock. On medium heat, place the prawn shells and heads in a small heavy bottom pan with 2.5 cups of water. Boil it for around 8 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. The prawn shells and heads become orange in color. Once done, strain the prawn stock. Press and extract maximum prawn stock from the shells. We got around 1 cup or 250 ml of prawn stock. Step 3. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 1 medium-sized capsicum. Cut it into cubes. 3 spring onions. Separate the white part of the spring onion from the green. Cut the white part of the spring onion into medium-sized pieces. Cut the green part of the spring onion also into medium-sized pieces. 1 medium-sized onion. Cut it into cubes and then open them. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Slit them into 2 but not completely. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 12 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. To make corn flour slurry, take 2 teaspoons of corn flour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it nicely. Corn flour slurry is ready. For the sauce, in a mixing bowl, add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or aromat powder, or you can add 1 chicken stock cube or a veg stock cube. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder or you can use black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. If not available, you can use dark soya sauce. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of prawn stock. If that's not available, then just add hot water instead. Mix everything nicely. Sauce is ready. Step 4. Frying the prawns. Place a Chinese wok or a kadai on medium heat. Then add cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated prawns one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan by adding too many prawns at a time, as the temperature of the oil will fall. If the pan is small, fry them in multiple batches. Fry for around 4 to 5 minutes until they turn slightly golden brown. Turn them around so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Remove them after 4 to 5 minutes once they turn slightly golden brown. Place the prawns in a strainer or on a paper napkin to get rid of the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining prawns if you are frying in multiple batches. Fried prawns are ready. Step 5. Preparing the chili garlic prawns. Remove the extra oil that was used for deep frying and keep only 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. Place the pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. After a minute, add the ginger pieces. Also add the onion pieces. Add the spring onion whites. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After a minute, add the green chilies. Also add the capsicum pieces. Stir fry them for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add the sauce. Mix everything properly. After a minute, add the cut spring onion greens. Mix everything nicely. Once the sauce gets a nice boil, mix the corn flour slurry and slowly add it in with a spoon. Do not add all the liquid in one go, as it may create lumps. Mix everything nicely until the sauce thickens. Once it gets a nice boil, add the fried prawns. Mix everything properly. Check for taste and add whatever is required. We added around half teaspoon of sugar. Cook for around 2 minutes or so. Mix everything properly. Once done, put the heat off. Enjoy the chili garlic prawns hot with fried rice or noodles, or just relish it as a starter. Check out our egg fried rice and egg hakka noodles recipe on this channel. Delicious chili garlic prawns are ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.